Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Monday.com, complete guide step by step clearly.
Open your Monday.com account and log in.
Navigate to the workspace where you want to create your budget.
Click on the New Board button to start a new budget board. Name your board something relevant, such as Budget Planning 2023. Choose the board type that suits you best, either main board or private board. Once your board is created, familiarize yourself with the layout. Add relevant columns to track your expenses. Consider adding a text column for item descriptions.
Include a numbers column for the budgeted amounts.
Add another numbers column for actual expenses. You might want to include a formula column to calculate the difference. Set the formula to subtract actual expenses from budgeted amounts. Create a timeline column if you want to track dates for your expenses. Use color coding or status columns to categorize expenses. Decide on categories such as fixed costs, variable costs, and savings. Invite team members to collaborate on the board. Set permissions to control who can edit or view the board. Fill in your budgeted amounts for each item in the appropriate columns. As expenses arise, update the actual expenses column. Regularly review your budget board to track performance. Use the dashboard feature for a visual representation of your budget. Monitor your budget against your goals regularly. Adjust your budget as needed based on actual spending trends. Use Monday.com's built-in templates for additional budgeting ideas. Finalize your budget board when you feel it accurately represents your plan. Explore integrations to connect your financial tools for seamless updates. Save your progress regularly to ensure no data is lost. End your session by logging out to maintain security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.